Commander, Miss Sonali of class 11, come on the stage. Clap for you, Commander.
Attention! Stand at ease. Attention! Stand at ease. Attention! Stand at ease. Attention! Now I would like to call students Anupriya class 11th, Tejal class 11th, Priyanshu class 11th and Kumkum class 9.
बाकी आगे बढ़ जाओ. Fill up the gap.
Stand at ease. Attention. Now take your position. First, join your hand, close your eyes and go down your head. Start. तू ही राम है, तू रहीम है, तू करीम कृष्ण खुदा हुआ. तू ही राम है, तू रहीम है, तू करीम कृष्ण खुदा हुआ. तू ही वाहेगुरु, तू यीशु मसीह, हरे नाम में तू समा.
आँख बंद करो और सिर झुकाओ.
कृष्ण खुदा हुआ. तू ही राम है, तू रहीम है, तू करीम कृष्ण खुदा हुआ. तेरी जात पाक कुरान में, तेरा दर्श वेद पुराण में. तेरी जात पाक कुरान में, तेरा दर्श वेद पुराण. Thank you. Stand at ease. Attention. Now I would like to call Muskan Kumari from class 9 for today's speech. To all of you, my name is Muskan Kumari and I am to say some line about air pollution. We know that our air is made up of many gases. Air we breathe used to pure and fresh, but due to increasing industrialization and concentration of poisonous gases in our environment, day by day toxic, and also these gases are very harmful for human respiratory and other diseases. These are very dangerous for us humans, just like diseases, cancer, heart problem and many things. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया.